In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create custom audience in Klaviyo for email marketing. Custom audiences help you focus your email campaigns on the exact people that matter, based on the way they interact with your brand. With Klaviyo, you can build these audiences using segments, and then use them to target your sends with more relevance and better results. First, sign into Klaviyo. Take a moment to open your browser and go to the Klaviyo dashboard. Once you are signed in, you should land on your main workspace where you can access your audiences, lists, and other campaign tools. Signing in first matters because all the audience tools you need are available only inside your account. Next, click Audience. This area is where Klaviyo organizes audience-building features, including lists and segments. When you click Audience, look for the navigation options that appear, since you will need to find the specific place where you can create something new. This is the section that will guide you step by step through building your segment. After that, click Lists and Segments. This is where Klaviyo groups the tools for managing audience definitions. You will see options that let you review existing segments and also create new ones. Clicking Lists and Segments is an important step because it takes you from general audience navigation into the exact workflow you need for segment creation. Now, click Create New. This will open the setup choices for building a new segment. Keep an eye on the menu or modal that appears, because it will ask you to choose the type of segment you want to create. Selecting the correct segment type helps ensure your conditions are set up the way you intend. Next, select Segment. This tells Klaviyo that you want to define an audience based on rules and criteria, rather than only using a static list. Segments are especially useful because they can update as people's behaviors and attributes change over time. When you choose Segment, you are ready to give it an identity and build the logic behind it. After selecting Segment, enter a name. Use a clear name that reflects what the segment is meant to represent. For example, you might name it in a way that describes the audience goal, such as a group based on a product category or a recent activity level. Naming your segment well makes it easier to find later, especially when you build more audiences over time. Then, set your audience conditions. This is the core part of creating a custom audience in Klaviyo. In the Conditions Builder, you will choose what criteria define who belongs in the segment. You might base conditions on events, profiles, properties, or other audience-related information. As you set these conditions, make sure the logic matches your intention so that you are targeting the right people and excluding anyone you did not mean to include. Once you have confirmed the conditions, click Create Segment. This final action saves your segment and generates the custom audience definition inside your account. After you create it, Klaviyo will begin applying the rules to the profiles that match, and the segment will be ready for you to use in your email marketing workflows. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.